This is another good progression to engage glute and hamstring. We could do this in a lunge, or we could do it at the stairs. So facing the stairs, a lot of times we start off with just doing stuff at the bottom step. So even some of my patients that have difficulty or weakness, I'll grab something small like this. It's about the size of a thick book, maybe a phone book, and we'll put one foot on there, and the other foot will step pretty far back, right? Because I want to put more pressure on my heel to engage my hamstring and my glute to lift me up. So it's nice if you start off somewhere like this where they have something to hold on to. So looking at me from the side, I'm going to drive through my heel and lift myself up onto this step. And I can even pick this other leg up, like I'm getting ready to advance the step again. And then I'll come back, really sitting onto my heel and reaching my foot back as I come out of there. Okay? So you'll notice my knee never really caves forward, right? I keep that pressure on my heel to really drive up through and squeeze my butt as I come forward. Now, I usually look for someone to be able to do 5 to 20 of these, right? And once they can get to 20, I'm thinking they can do a higher step. So if this short step is okay, next I would take this away, and we would go to a regular step height. So same thing, a fair amount of distance between your feet so that you feel like when you start, you have more of your weight on your heel. Versus if I'm all the way up here, I already want to put more pressure on my toe, which will use more of my quad to get me up the stair. So foot far enough back, having at least one handrail to hold on to, so that I feel like I have something that I can keep the pressure on my heel and shoot more straight up, as opposed to this typical forward angle that we do when we go upstairs. So same as before, I press up through the heel and come all the way up, not just to here, but really sucking my butt underneath me, and then I slowly come back down. Driving up through the heel nice and slow, and down slow. And then this progresses to the second step, which is the same motion. Driving up through the heel. You'll see I use the rails as a little bit of a counterbalance, so I can do this slowly and keep weight back on my heel. Each one trying to get to 20 reps before going up to the next height.